So the good news is that a lot of my plants from all these high winds are actually doing pretty well. All the broadleaf evergreens are seem to be handling their own. Even the rice paper plants are doing really well. Bananas are heavily damaged. These are all the leaves off of pawpaws. I have a number of trees that are like this where they've just been stripped by the wind, these deciduous trees. So we have a lot of debris, a lot of branches and trees down, and the fires are continue to rage. Let's hope this weather improves from a fire perspective. It was great and nice having this nice hot weather in September, but right now with the dryness and the winds, we're paying an awful price. So I just hope everyone stays safe out there.